Hello, my name is Elia Habib, mechanical engineer from Lebanon, expert in SolidWorks. Today we will do part 15 in SolidWorks tutorial. First of all, let's launch SolidWorks. Front plane, be careful here to put millimeter as dimension. Click on sketch. This is our part 15. First of all, let's draw this rectangle. Center rectangle here. Smart dimension. We have 60 by 50. Feature extrude. Here we have the depth of 8 millimeter. 8, enter. So here it's part 15. Okay, now let's do the fillet here. The dimension is not inserted here, so we should calculate the radius is about 50 minus 30 millimeter, or we'll obtain the two radius there, divide per 2 to obtain the single radius. So you open the calculator. 50 minus 30 divided per 2, it's 10. So here we click on fillet, radius 10. Sketch. Now let's draw the holes. Here we have 2 holes and times 4. We should draw the rectangle, center line in order to locate it. Center rectangle like this. And put it for construction. From the center is 30. Smart dimension, it's 30. And the height is 40. We can draw the rectangles. Escape this circle equal, all the circles are equal of diameter here 6 millimeter. Feature extrude cut through all. This is the small hole. You can extrude it through hole here. Click on yes. Click on save. That's it, as mentioned there. Now let's draw the other hole, the big hole of diameter 10 millimeter and of depth extrude cut of 3 millimeter. 10 by 3. So here another time. Control, 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 equal. So here it's 10. Feature extrude cut of depth 3. Click on yes and click on save. Right click normal tool. Now we should draw this ellipse. Okay. We can first of all click on sketch, Draw a center line here. This is the center line from the mid to the mid here. Okay, then click on ellipse on the center. Okay, then click on smart dimension. Yep. Center line from here to here. The width is 15 millimeter. It's point connected to the edge here. Coincident. And this 2 points are of lengths of 45 millimeter. Click on 45, enter, that's it. Now it's fully defined. You can exit the sketch. Click on save. Now let's draw this upper part here, circle extrude in the mid plane of the two faces here. So we can click on this top plane, show, and then extrude it. And then click on sketch. And click normal to, another time normal to. And click on the circle. Of diameter, as mentioned there, 20 millimeter. Of height of 48. We can hide the plane here for a better vision. So right click normal to, other time normal to. Now we have the distance here is 70 millimeter from the bottom surface here, the center. So it's 70 millimeter. Now let's click on yes, feature extrude, mid plane of 25 millimeter. 25. Okay. Let's click on this. Now let's draw the other ellipse here in order to do the loft. In order to do the loft, we should draw the other ellipse here, as I told. The first one already drawn, and draw also two guides here in order to do the proper loft according to the two guides, the first guide and the second one. Now let's draw the other ellipse there, situated here. So we should have a plane distance of 70 millimeter in the mid here. 70. So here, flip offset at 70. Now we can click on sketch. Now we should draw the ellipse. First of all, let's draw the center line from this midpoint to this midpoint. Ellipse there. Okay. Of width of 15 millimeter. So now it's fully defined. Can exit the sketch and hide the plane. Now let's draw the first guide and the top plane also This is the first guide of radius 32.5 in the same top plane. Right-click normal to, another time normal to. Now let's draw the sketch. 3-point arc. This one there. This one. $32 outside, as mentioned there. Now let's exit the sketch and draw another guide, a separated sketch. It's obligatory to draw it on a separated sketch in order to have two guides separated to be able to activate the loft properly with these two guides. So here, radius 70, 3-point arc, radius here, smart dimension, 70. So it's not connected. So control or drag it. And here it has a dimension of 5 millimeter. This is the gap here. It's 50 minus 45. So it's 5 millimeter from this point to the edge here. It's 5 millimeter. It's also not fine. So let's see where is the problem. So here also we can click on the point here, control. These are coincident, and now it's verified back. We can click also another time, save, rotate it. This is the first profile, first ellipse. This is the second profile, second ellipse, first guide for the loft of the two ellipse, the second guide of the loft of the two ellipse. Let's begin by doing the feature loft. This is the first profile. This is the second profile. See, it has automatically gathered. Now, the guide curves, you should choose the first guide. See, it has obtained the shape of the first guide. The second guide to obtain the shape also of the second guide. Click on yes. Perfect. Then click on save. That's it, as you see here. And update it. Now, we have here a small fillet. Okay, let's do a fillet here of 3 millimeter. This edge here. And this edge there. 3 millimeter. It's good. Right click normal to, and then click on sketch, and then click on circle. This is the center circle. Click here on smart dimension. We have a diameter of 12 millimeter. Smart dimension here. We type on 12. Here, click on yes, then rotate it, and click on extrude cut. Through all. Save it. We have a small chamfer here. This is chamfer of 45 degree. Chamfer is located below the fillet. Chamfer. Let's choose 1 millimeter chamfer of 45 degree. Then click here. And the second one there. Okay, that's it. As you see here, we can make sure we did not miss anything. Okay. The holes, left, chamfer, okay. The final thing to do is to insert a color. Here on edit appearance, we click and we choose, for example, this color. This green color would be great, and click on OK, yes. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial part 15 SolidWorks for beginners, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you for watching.